guys, what's up? Happy Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, whenever you are watching this video. I just hope you are having a good day today. Okay, so if you are watching me for the first time, I am Kalpana. I make makeup and lifestyle related videos. If this is something that you enjoy watching, then please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I am putting new video. This way you will never miss my videos. Okay, so in today's video I am doing this 5-minute super easy quick summer look, which is so easy and beginner friendly, and it will literally take you just 5 minutes. Because I'm talking in this video, so I might take more time because I'll be explaining you the steps and a lot of things. And just look at this, it looks so fresh, natural, and just everything about this makeup is looking so good, and it's so easy to do. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. First step before you do any kind of makeup is to moisturize your face really well, so that all your base products and everything sit on your face perfectly fine. To moisturize my face today, I am using my favorite moisturizer from Pond's. I have used this product so much and it's almost over, so I just thought of using this in this video and finally finishing this up so that I can throw this big jar. I really like this. If you have dry skin, please give this a try. This one is so light and hydrates my skin so well. It's so budget friendly, like it's so affordable and literally so good. Next important skincare step is to apply some sunscreen, and I am using Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Sunblock today. Do include sunscreen in your skincare routine. It protects your skin from all the damage that sun or environment can do to your skin. I actually started using sunscreen from my college days, and normally I do not skip this out. I already have lip balm on my lips, so our skincare is sorted. Let's move to the makeup. Next, I will be concealing all the pigmented areas on my face using this concealer from LA Girl. I'll just use this concealer in my usual areas. I have pigmentation on my forehead as well, so I like to conceal my forehead too. These are like my usual areas where I like to conceal generally, and I have some marks on my face, some acne marks. I don't know how I got these acne, but I'm just covering these acne spots with this concealer. Now I'll just blend this concealer with this damp beauty sponge. This is a beautiful concealer. I just wish they come up with a different packaging because its applicator is not very much convenient. Otherwise, this is beautiful concealer, man. I just love this. It just feels so hydrating and looks like very skin-like. I really like this concealer. To set this up, I am using this loose powder from Maybelline Fit Me. You can literally use any loose powder or even a compact if that's what you are comfortable with. I'm just taking this on my brush, just making sure my concealer is not creasing up. Now I'll just look up and conceal under eye area. I'll set eyelid area as well. Basically all the places where I applied concealer. Our base is done, guys. Since this is 5-minute easy fresh looking makeup, I have skipped foundation altogether just to make it look very natural. Let's fill our eyebrows next, and I am using this Miss Claire eyebrow kit. This is the only eyebrow product that I'm obsessed with. It is so good. I just love using this. I'll quickly brush my eyebrows like this and start filling this up. On eyes, I'm not going to do anything today except putting some nice mascara. So I am just curling my lashes quickly. Just do it for 3-4 times like this, and it will seriously make so much of difference in your eyelashes. For mascara, I'm using Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. I've been loving this mascara lately. I just started using it a couple of days ago and I'm already in love with it. You can yourself see how a mascara is changing my whole eye look. My eyes are looking so awake and full. That is the power of mascara. You should never skip a mascara. Next, we are going to give a nice flush of color to our cheeks, and for blush I am using this one from K Beauty in the shade Coral Charm. It is their matte blushes. They are so pigmented. If you do not like too much blush, you just have to be little careful tapping some of the extra. Little bit on nose and chin as well. Oh god, I can literally dip myself in blush. Oh god, blush has just made my face look like... I love blush. I love it. I love it. For lipstick, I'm going back to L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature Matte Lipstick. I don't know why I don't use this very often, but I really love this one. And by the way, the shade is 130 I Amaze. This lipstick is literally giving me those summer vibes. So amazing color. Okay, so just to set everything up, I'm using this NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. Just giving it a good shake and spritzing it on my face. With that, we are done. This is my 5-minute very easy, quick, fresh summer makeup, and I'm totally loving this. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this look, and if you enjoyed watching this video, please give a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you don't miss my videos. And also, if you're not following me on Instagram, then please follow me here because I'm putting up makeup tutorials exclusively on Instagram, and I think you will enjoy them. So follow me here and enjoy all those makeup tutorials, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.